Hello everyone, today we will see how to make a tornado chart in Excel which looks like this. When it comes to comparing of various things with each other, the tornado chart can be very useful. It looks like a real tornado where the big items are at the top and the smaller items are at the bottom. And each item has an opposite counterpart to compare. Here we have compared the product sales data of store 1 and store 2 for 12 products. In this video, we will show from scratch how to make this chart. So let's start. This is our raw data where we have 12 products and their respective sales data for store 1 and store 2. We will compare the sales data of each product for both the stores, store 1 and 2, in the tornado chart. There is no tornado chart in the default chart list of Microsoft Excel. So we will follow some steps to generate a tornado chart from the raw data that is given here. Our first step will be to sort the sales data from largest to smallest, and to automate that we will use the sort function of Excel. But before we apply the sort function, we need to do a sum total of the total sales of any product in the both of the stores. We will add them and drag to the bottom of the table. Now this is the total sales of both the stores, and based on which we will sort this table. Let us copy the header and paste it here, and here we will apply the sort function. Sort, first bracket opened, it will ask for the array, and this is our array, comma, sort index means the column based on which the sorting will be done. This is our column based on which the sorting will be done, that is the total column, and this is the first, second, third and fourth column in the array. So we will type 4 here, comma, and now it is asking for the order of the sort. If we put 1 here, it will be ascending sort, that is small to large, and if we put -1 here, it will be a descending sort, that is large to small. We want the data to be sorted in a descending manner, so we will put here -1. We'll close the bracket and hit enter, and you can see the data has been sorted from the largest one to the smallest one. Now here is a trick to generate the tornado chart. We need to convert one of the store's data to negative before we generate the chart. So let us put here equal to minus the stores 1 data, drag it to the bottom of the table, and the second store's data will be as it is. Let us drag it to the bottom of the table once again. Let us copy the name of the stores here. Now this is our base data on which the tornado chart will be generated. We will select these 3 columns, go to insert, and from here we will select a 2D bar chart. This is the 2D bar chart that we have generated. We'll click on the chart element, and from here grid lines and the chart title. Next we need to select the axis, right click on it and go to format axis, and from here go to the labels option, set the label position to low. It will get the labels of the axis to the left so that the bars are clearly visible. Next, you need to change the axis position in reverse order. This will adjust the bars from both of the sides, and for this go to the axis options, axis position, and click on the categories in the reverse order. Next, you need to middle align these 2 type of bars, and for that click on the bars, go to the series option here from the right side pane, and put this series overlap to 100% and the gap width to around 10%. You can adjust the gap width as per your requirement. If you want some gap between the bars, you can increase it to say around 25%, and if you want to reduce it, you can reduce that from here. You can see the numbers for the store 1 are showing as negative in the label. So for that you select the axis, go to the axis options, click on numbers, and from here click custom, and here delete this minus sign and click on add, and you can see that the negative sign is gone for the axis. Next we will do some formatting. Select the chart, changing the font to whatever that you want. Set the color to black and increase the font size, and add the data labels to both of the sides. Select the data labels from here which are showing a negative sign. Go to format data labels, and from label options go to the number option and select category custom, and from here delete the negative sign and click on add. So you can see that the negative signs are gone. Also you can position it inside the base to have a nice look, and also for better visibility you can set some lighter color. Same thing you can do with the right hand side of the labels. Click on inside base. Since the background is orange here, these labels are visible. So that's how you generate the tornado chart for the comparison type of data. If you have liked this video, please share it with someone who also may like it, and please subscribe to our channel if you have not done it already. Thanks for watching.